get hot and bright. This sun's so annoying me. This sun's so annoying me. The sun is so annoying me. Yay!
Where are we? Ate, where are we?
Mama, I'm a slow animal.
Okay.
Ticket sir, 50 pesos flat rate po yan. Pwede nyo bayaran sa exit.
Animal.
Saan yung ticket? Junior na siya ito. Alisin, pwede ba alisin ka? Sabi. Hi! It's a video. Wait! Sarah!
Hi, happy birthday, Papa.
We'll take a photo. Come here. Tara, dali. Okay na lang, nasa loob. You're first.
That's a video.
Hello. What's that for? Hello. How do you make it a little bit taller? How do you make it taller?
But you have to pull it.
Oh, it's so heavy. Hello.
Ate, here. Ate. Go, sing.
Let's take a photo with Daddy. Tara, with Daddy. Doon naman yung papaganon.
Silly. Sabel. Sabel.
Clear. Clear.
You want daddy to help you?
Okay, you can stay still. You can just put it like this. Yan. And then,
Yan. Yun. Oops. Okay. Dip it, dip. Okay.
Then wait for the fish to stick to your magnet.
Kahirap ganun ano. Yeah, after ate, your turn.
No, you have to... Yan, this level.
Yan, yan. Wow!
Letter S, low price.
Choose ate, choose. Huh? Ate, wait. Pray for daddy.
Basket baby.
Put him.
Okay, only catch. You have to catch 3, okay? So 1, 2, you have to catch one more.
That's the last one.
Yan.
Oh. Ay, pakatch mo ulit si baby.
Gusto niya kanya. You catch the fish?
Ito ka naman aling.
Last one po.
Okay, last one.
Alright.
Okay.
All done po. Kapigil po sa kabila yung basket.
Thank you.
1 pounds. Not too bad. Goodness, that's only 5 miles. And your grand fishing tournament total is 20 pounds.
Pwede mo ba kami bigyan mo sa mga ganito? Pwede mo magdalwa rin. Ano pa ito? Kamahati ito. Bakit? Sino? Okay lang natin, sir.
Ay, isa lang. Yan ang gusto mo, Stella? Yeah. Stella. Ate, don't touch daddy, okay? Wala.
Okay. Last one po, last one. Last pick.
Yay!
Hey. Let's go.
Again. You pretend that that's the video. Stella, look at ate.
Dilat na dilat si Eldar ngayong gabi.
You are looking at
Stella. Pay na, Stella.
Kala ko ba yung wallet? Ito ba yung gawin mo dito?
Stella.
Ala, wala na. Ala, it's moving. Say hi, come here, dali. Say hi muna. Here we go. Bye.
No, like this.
You want to play again? What's this? Dili kayo. Which game? Ano, fish again?
What's your favorite game? What's the game in Florida?
The fish?
Akal mo na.
Hello, you.
1, 2, 3.
I think they're close. I think they're close.
Yeah, look at the people.
Yeah. I'll just buy you one toy here.
Okay,
You
let's
want
just buy one
here?
person here. Bye. I say, Papa, you want my birthday here?
Bye-bye.